Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to cancel Shopify subscription or close your Shopify store. To start this tutorial, make sure you're logged in to myshopify.com in your internet browser once you open it in your laptop, PC, or Mac. Once you are in My Shopify, go to your online store this time. This one over here. Once you open it, scroll down. And then go to Apps. Click on plus Add Apps. In here, you're going to search for Cancel Subscription. Oh, a bit of a typo there. Give me a few seconds to redo my typing. Once done, you will now click on the gear icon that says Settings. And right now, you're going to be going over to Billing. Just click on it. In here, this time, we're fixing our domains. On the search bar, we're going to be removing all domains. This is all you have to do at this step of the process. In here, over at Store Details, you will now see your store details. And then click on Plan this time. In here, you will now deactivate your trial or deactivate your subscription. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.